back to my channel. Right now I'm in Pennsylvania in the Pocono region, which is only 2 hours away from New York City, and I'm staying at the Magnolia Streamside resort for the next couple of days. I'm going to be giving you guys a tour of where I'm staying, but before that, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and just keep watching. Of this resort. Magnolia Streamside Resort values connection with nature and with family. They also encourage to disconnect from our phones and other distractions. I highly recommend staying here if you're ever in the Pocono area, and also if you just want to have a little bit of a getaway from the hectic city life. I have a blog post on my experience staying here and a full review on the Magnolia Streamside Resort, and I'll have all the links in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Ciao!